you guys? Serious Chicken here, and I'm gonna be playing some Spleef. And so yeah, we're joined by Fakey, FLQS, Zombie Killer, and also Vision Vibes, Vision Frizz. And so yeah, we're gonna be playing some Spleef. In 3, 2, 1, go! I'm waiting for the other people to drop. Same, he's floating on my screen. I know, I'm trying to get him. I'm trying to get the ninja. Hey, you guys. I think it's like bonus round wherever we're allowed to place blocks. I know. Charge! I think that we're allowed to place blocks now. Yeah. Yes! Okay, it looks like that we died. And I will go spectate. I sacrificed myself to try to survive. There isn't a winner! Okay, it looks like Vision Vibes has won, or no. And I will, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this minigame of Spleef. If you did, slap that like button. Subscribe, it really shows that you guys care. And have a great day.